Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, sexual life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video, so it is over. Today being some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful crochet free ideas. Mostly girls like crochet handbag, and these are beautiful ideas for stylish, jobful girls. Some are light colors, some are dark color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, zipper style, crochet step style, leather strap style, chain strap style, wooden handle, metal handle, beautiful chain style, most demanding crochet collection. Beautiful ideas, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbag, purses, clutches ideas, and you can get this handbag with matching your dresses and party like college birthday unifunction. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beaded stones, crochet flower ideas, button up style. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers, bye bye, and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz, have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.